Zanu PF bribes voters with rice, wheat ahead of Masvingo by-election. The 13th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Zanu PF has been accused of openly bribing voters in Masvingo Urban Ward 7 after distributing rice and wheat to residents on Thursday, just 2 days before the September 13th by-election. According to eyewitnesses, the ruling party's provincial chairperson Robson mnangagwa and Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution Ezra Chadzamira addressed thousands of supporters at Rujiko Primary School, where Chadzamira allegedly delivered a truckload of food that was handed out following speeches. Zanu PF candidate Simbarash Gwejashanhiwa stood nearby as residents queued for the parcels. Critics argue that the spectacle amounted to blatant vote buying. "We are suffering. Everyone came here for the rice and wheat. Politics is not the reason we are here. People just want to feed their families," one resident told News Times, Zimbabwe, on condition of anonymity. Another resident said, "They know people are hungry, so they use food to get votes. But after the election, we will be forgotten again. Democracy undermined." Observers warned the practice undermines the integrity of the by-election. "This is outright electoral manipulation. It's impossible to call an election free and fair when food handouts are used as bait," said a Masvingo-based civic leader. Despite the show of force, locals privately questioned whether food distribution would translate into genuine political loyalty. For many, the rally was less about supporting Zanu PF and more about desperate survival.